This video will show you how to prepare for submitting your completion report for CPA review. Jason has met the minimum 30 months of eligible duration and is getting ready to request a CPA review for completion by performing the following steps. First, he completes his final experience report in PERT. He documents the duties he has performed in the last 6 months and ensures he has demonstrated progression in his technical and enabling competencies. Then, he runs the consolidated summary for all experience reports to confirm that he has met the practical experience requirements. Upon reviewing the consolidated summary, he learns that he has met the minimum 30 months of required duration, including a minimum of 12 months after his PEP start date. He has self-assessed Level 2s in all enabling competencies. He has self-assessed that he met the core, depth, and breadth technical competency requirements. Jason has met the depth requirements in management accounting with Level 2 self-assessed in MA1, MA2, and MA4. He has also met the core requirements in management accounting. He also had exposure to FN1, FN2, and FR4, and self-assessed at Level 2 and FR2. Overall, he has met the breadth requirements with these 8 areas. Although Jason self-assessed as having met all requirements, this will need to be reviewed by CPA Ontario before it can be approved. Next, he requests a final meeting with his mentor to discuss his progression in meeting the requirements for the enabling competency areas. His mentor has one comment on his enabling competency example for managing self. Jason has described the challenges he faced in forecasting for a new stream of revenue in the most recent budgeting cycle. He described how he used the CPA way to reflect on the course of action taken and the alternatives considered. His mentor suggests that he provide deeper reflective thought for Part C to consider what he would do differently next time to improve on these soft skills, and if there were any limitations to the course of action taken. Based on his mentor's feedback, Jason updates this enabling competency area. He elaborates on how he recognized some of his own limitations and sought feedback from others to improve upon his own performance and development going forward. Jason and his mentor also discussed the reasonability of his progression in the technical competency areas and the development of the final Level 2s he needed for breadth. Based on this review, his mentor has no additional comments on his learning plan and believes he's ready to have his supervisor re-verify his experience report and submit for completion. Jason's mentor completes the final mentor meeting in PERT by documenting the meeting date and comments from their discussion. Jason then submits his report to his supervisor for verification. Given that his consolidated summary indicates all his duration and competency requirements are met, and his final mentor meeting has been documented, Jason can now request a completion review in PERT. Up next, learn how to complete a CPA review for completion.